Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to set up and modify a GitHub Wiki in under 5 minutes. If you have ever wanted to document your projects effectively or share knowledge with your team in a structured way, this tool is perfect. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you have everything needed to build informative and organized pages. Start by opening your browser and visiting github.com. While GitHub is a fantastic platform for hosting code and collaborating globally, we are focusing on its documentation features today. Once you arrive at the home page, log in by clicking the button in the top right corner. Enter your credentials or sign up for a new account if you haven't already. After logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard where all your projects are listed. Choose the specific repository where you want to add the wiki. If it is not immediately visible, use the search bar to locate it quickly. Once you are on the repository's main page, look for the Wiki tab located among the options above the file list and click it. This feature is very intuitive, making it easy for beginners to navigate and use effectively. If this is a fresh wiki, select the link to create your first page. This opens an editor where you can start crafting your content using Markdown, a simple formatting language similar to basic HTML. If you are familiar with Markdown, you can start writing immediately. Otherwise, there are many resources available to help you learn these quick and efficient formatting rules. After entering your content, scroll to the bottom of the editor and hit the Save Page button to make your work visible to your contributors. You have now successfully built a GitHub Wiki page for your repository. Since these documents should grow alongside your project, remember to update them with new details and insights regularly. Thank you for following this tutorial, and I hope it helps improve your GitHub skills. Happy documenting!